Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best rice cooker you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best rice cooker on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best rice cooker are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Instant Pot Duo Mini Electric Pressure Cooker. If you're looking for a small, reliable, and versatile kitchen appliance, the Instant Pot Duo Mini is an excellent investment that will quickly become your favorite cooking companion. The Instant Pot Duo Mini 7-in-1 is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine without sacrificing flavor or variety. Its compact design makes it ideal for small spaces, and its multifunctionality ensures you get the most out of one appliance. While its capacity may not suit larger families, it excels at handling smaller meals efficiently and deliciously. Durable, non-stick, and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Access to over 1,900 recipes for endless culinary inspiration. Replaces multiple kitchen gadgets, saving space and simplifying cooking. Ideal for singles, couples, or small families, yet versatile enough for various dishes. Includes 13 customizable one-touch programs for dishes like soups, rice, and desserts. Features safety mechanisms such as overheat protection, a safety lid lock, and an anti-blockage vent. The Instant Pot Duo Mini lives up to its reputation by delivering consistently great results in a short amount of time. Whether pressure cooking hearty stews or preparing fluffy rice, this small but mighty appliance performs reliably. The yogurt function is a standout, producing creamy, homemade yogurt effortlessly. The programmable settings and quick cooking times make meal prep easier. Its size and functionality cater to smaller portions, great for apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs, ensures consistent results with every use. Our second best rice cooker is COSORI Rice Cooker. If you're in the market for a dependable, multifunctional rice cooker that does much more than rice, the COSORI Rice Cooker is a fantastic choice. It's a worthy investment for families and food enthusiasts alike. The COSORI Rice Cooker excels in cooking rice with precision and offers consistent results thanks to its advanced fuzzy logic technology. The sauté and slow cooker functions are equally reliable, expanding the appliance's usability. The steamer basket is a thoughtful addition, making it easier to prepare complete meals simultaneously. Perfect for families, meal prep, or hosting gatherings, handling up to 10 cups of uncooked rice, about 20 cups cooked. Versatility to prepare various dishes, including white rice, brown rice, quinoa, soups, and even desserts. A bonus for steaming vegetables, fish, or dumplings while cooking rice below, saving time and energy. Automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature for consistent, perfectly cooked results. Doubles as a sauté pan, slow cooker, and more, offering flexibility for diverse recipes. Keeps your meals warm and ready to serve without overcooking. An intuitive digital display with clear, easy-to-use controls. The COSORI 10-cup rice cooker is an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to expand their cooking capabilities. It combines versatility, ease of use, and advanced technology to deliver consistent, flavorful meals. Number 3 in our list is Zojirushi NSLGC05XB Rice Cooker. If you want restaurant-quality rice at home with minimal effort, this Zojirushi rice cooker is a fantastic choice that delivers on its promises. The Zojirushi NSLGC05XB Micom rice cooker and warmer is a compact, high-quality kitchen appliance that delivers excellent performance in a sleek and modern design. With its advanced microcomputer, Micom, technology and precise cooking settings, this rice cooker is perfect for smaller households or individuals who value perfectly cooked rice. Automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature for consistently perfect results, regardless of the type of rice. Includes white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, steel-cut oatmeal, porridge, and quick cooking options. Keeps rice warm for extended periods and reheats it without compromising texture or taste. The stainless black exterior is modern and space-saving, fitting well in any kitchen decor ensures even heat distribution with heating elements on the bottom, sides, and lid. It ideal for singles, couples, or small families, making up to 6 cups of cooked rice. Easy to clean, with a non-stick surface that ensures no rice sticks, the Zojirushi NSLGC05XB stands out for its precision and reliability. Fourth recommendation in our side is BLACK+DECKER rice cooker. This rice cooker performs well for its price point, delivering fluffy rice consistently. The steaming function is a great bonus, offering a convenient way to prepare healthy sides. While it doesn't have advanced cooking modes like high-end models, its straightforward functionality makes it reliable and beginner-friendly. Simple one-touch operation is ideal for those new to cooking appliances. Its 16-cup capacity can easily handle family meals or parties. The steaming basket adds versatility for healthier cooking, delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Included steaming basket allows simultaneous steaming of vegetables, fish, or dumplings while rice cooks below. Can cook up to 16 cups of cooked rice, 8 cups uncooked, making it suitable for families, meal preppers, or gatherings. Simplifies the cooking process with a single button to start, eliminating guesswork. Easy to clean and prevents rice from sticking, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Keeps rice warm and ready to serve without overcooking. The BLACK+DECKER 16-cup rice cooker is a dependable, no-frills appliance that gets the job done. It's perfect for those who want a large-capacity rice cooker with added steaming functionality at an affordable price. Last in our top 5 best rice cooker list is Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker. The Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker is an excellent choice for those who need a compact, efficient, and easy-to-use appliance for preparing perfectly cooked rice and steaming food. With features like fuzzy logic technology, a 24-hour delay timer, and an auto keep warm function, it delivers convenience and versatility in a small package. Though it may not be suited for large families, it's perfect for individuals or smaller households who want great performance and a space-saving design. The delay timer and keep warm feature make it easy to prepare rice ahead of time. Its compact design makes it ideal for dorm rooms, apartments, or tiny kitchens. The steaming feature allows for healthier cooking without added oils or fats. Perfect for those who need a smaller, efficient rice cooker, the Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker excels at providing consistent, fluffy rice. The fuzzy logic technology adjusts the cooking cycle to achieve the perfect texture every time. The delay timer and auto keep warm function are particularly helpful for busy individuals who want their meals ready when they return home. The steamer is a bonus for those who want to prepare additional dishes without cluttering the kitchen. After cooking, the rice cooker automatically switches to the keep warm setting to maintain the ideal temperature without overcooking or drying out the rice. This model includes a steaming tray, allowing you to steam vegetables, fish, or other foods while the rice cooks, adding more versatility to your kitchen.